We want the celebrant to be around as well for want of time.
Jehovah, nnamdikanu. Jehovah, nnamdikanu.
Our executive governors here present, the governor of Oyo State, the governor of Edo, Enugu State governor, the governor of Bauchi State, who doubles as the chairman of governors, PDP Governors Forum. The chairman of BOT, whose today we are celebrating the members of the National Working Committee, our distinguished senators and honorable members here present. I can see some of them, former governors who are our bosses till now, all PDP supporters in Abia State and Nigeria as whole. PDP! PDP! Power to the people. First, Indeo, Abia Maman. Abia Maman. Thank you. You can see I'm one of you today. Abia Telezu no. Thank you very much.
Chairman Ibu Wandem. Chairman Ibu Wandem. Chairman over
Thank you. Because of one of time, I want to just say a few remarks, especially to the celebrant. Abia people, you are very lucky. You have had somebody who has once been a leader in this state, and he moved to Abuja and also made you people proud. Even as he turned 76, he's still like a 40-year young man. He has always been full of life. That's why he can pull this type of crowd. And we are very proud of him. And as a stabilizer in this party, I will wish that today he gets a very, well, let me say that it is going to be between me and him. Pardon me. So, and also want to use this opportunity to commiserate with you and sympathize with you over the challenges you've had in this state recently. I'm sure you will overcome the situation. I know people from the Southeast are resilient, and I also pray that not only in the Southeast, every challenges we have within this country will come to pass. May we have 1 minute silence for the departed. May their soul rest in peace. Amen. Well, I want to also congratulate you, people from the Southeast. Yes, we have had an experience that has come and gone, but PDP in the Southeast is a deeply rooted party. Yes, I want to tell you, all those migrants that have temporarily taken shelter somewhere are going to come back, yes, come 2027. Like my governor who spoke on behalf of the governors, he said it very clear that they are very resolved to make sure that this party take over what rightly belongs to us. We know what is happening, and to the glory of God, the other parties and also those that claim they are ruling us are campaigning for us. So I'm sure most of you are feeling it, and you are saying, oh, I wish it was PDP days. Gone are those nice days. But I promise you, with what we are doing, with what we have with our governors who are resolved, who have given us all the cooperation, we will come back sound, healthy, and also victorious. I want to use this opportunity to urge you to be more resilient. There is a lot of challenges that may come across, but I know you people. You are very resilient, and you will overcome those challenges. And after the challenges, it will be victory all the way. So I thank you sincerely. I don't want to waste most of your time because of want of time. I want to use this opportunity to congratulate our celebrant and also tell him that the party is solely behind him and is with him in this occasion. Thank you. Because of want of time, I want to use this opportunity to congratulate our celebrant and also tell him that the party is solely behind him and is with him in this occasion. Thank you.